I apologize for my hair. I'm at work and have my hat off. But anyhow, I heard Scott Adams wasn't going to dump his HP printer out the window today, and today happens to be 8/14 of 2021, and of course HP contacted him and made arrangements. But I figured I might as well go ahead and do it and see if anybody gets a hold of me, but nobody ever does. So anyhow, here I'm going to switch this again. And this is an HP DirectJet card. Yeah, I know it's an old one, but hey, I was going to have to trash it anyway because it don't work. So yeah, I'm going to start doing this with a lot of my products that are pieces of shit. Excuse my language. And anyhow, I don't know how to break this one-handed. It's hard to do. There we go. Didn't do much damage to it. Oh, those work pretty good. Anyhow, there you go. Well, I'll wait for a printer. Toss it out the window. But anyhow, that's a piece of shit. Excuse the language. And I'm going to post this now on YouTube. Good luck, Scott Adams. Not having to take care of your printer, but we throw ours away because most of them don't work, and I'm going to throw away computers and other stuff like that. So yeah, here's my post. Bye.